All right, so this leather repair tape is a really useful tool to keep around if you have a leather or faux leather furniture that tends to get a little scratched or wear over time. Even though I do not have a damaged piece that matches this exact brown color, I still wanted to show you how easily it sticks and how cleanly it applies. Now, I was sent this realistic leather repair tape by Match and Patch, and the first thing I noticed is the quality. The texture looks very realistic, the roll is long, and the adhesive is strong but thin enough to blend in nicely. I tested it on my dining room seat cushion and even on my couch just to show how well it grabs. It presses down smoothly with no lifting or bubbling. You can cut the tape into smaller shapes for tiny repairs or use long strips for larger spots. And if someone has tears, cracks, discoloration, or even pet damage, this gives you a super quick and affordable way to refresh the look. Match and Patch also has multiple shades, so choosing a slightly darker one usually blends the best. So if you want an easy, realistic, and reliable way to fix leather furniture at home, this is the right one for you.